Are you aiming to improve your home Wi-Fi network to solve coverage or performance issues? Well, here at Mation, one of our missions is to make daily lives simpler. So we've provided a short video explaining the differences between mesh, wireless repeaters, and access points. So check it out. Wireless repeaters, as the name suggests, rebroadcasts an existing Wi-Fi signal. They do so by connecting to an existing network via wireless LAN. They do not provide the best performance, however, as available bandwidth will be close to halved, depending if it's a single or dual band repeater. The wireless repeater creates a new Wi-Fi network different from the router. This means you would need to manually set the SSID to the same as the original Wi-Fi network, or set your devices to auto-connect to the new network with a different SSID in order to stay connected when moving around. They are not very reliable, as you will lose connection when the repeater is down. If you're working with a budget and only use the internet for light browsing, you can consider getting a repeater. We also would recommend getting a repeater with dual band radio, as it has a slightly lesser bandwidth reduction and higher throughput. So to conclude, for wireless repeaters, they aren't the easiest to set up, don't provide the best performance, and most of them require you to use a PC for configuration. Moving on to mesh. The mesh Wi-Fi system consists of nodes that work alongside the router to help increase coverage. These nodes are spread out amongst the household and wirelessly talk to each other to ensure even coverage and share the network connection across an area. Some of the benefits of using a mesh Wi-Fi system are seamless roaming and dynamic wireless routing, which allows users to automatically get the best Wi-Fi performance and stay connected as they move. Mesh Wi-Fi systems are more resilient and are capable of self-healing, which means they are able to continue functioning in the scenario that one of the nodes goes down, as they have the ability to route data packets through a different node. You also have the flexibility of easily adding nodes to your network to increase coverage, which in most cases only requires you to follow on-screen instructions on a mobile app. Users need not worry about having prior networking knowledge, as the more complicated setup process will be handled by the nodes and mobile apps in the background. This is the self-configuring capability of a mesh system. Mesh systems usually come in a pack of 3, and to set up the hardware, simply connect the master node to the router via an Ethernet cable. Then, strategically place the rest of the nodes around the household, and most provide guesswork via the mobile app when deciding the best location to place the nodes. So these are the benefits of using a mesh Wi-Fi. They're easy to use, resilient, and provides consistent speed and coverage. Wireless access points are devices such as wireless routers that enable devices to connect to a network. The access point acts as the central transmitter and receiver of wireless radio signals to form wireless local area networks. When compared to mesh and repeaters, they are the most reliable and provides the most bandwidth. Access points, or APs, provide the best performance capabilities, but requires a data point. They are also more complicated to set up, as configuration is done on a web page and it requires some networking knowledge. However, multiple APs help cover large distances and a vast number of connections. For example, if you're renovating your house from scratch and need to lay cables, be it electrical or data cable, consider laying down some Ethernet cables to the various rooms in the house, or to the different rooms in every level of a multi-story house. Although tedious, this will ensure your network is future-proof. You can utilize the WAP's method of solving Wi-Fi coverage issues commonly found in multi-story houses. An access point will provide you with the best performance, but they are more complicated to set up. So to conclude, the choice of which option to choose fully depends on your individual context. Situational constraints and demands will affect the choice in Wi-Fi systems, and what device best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today, but please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more technology and IoT content. Additionally, you can head to our website in the link provided below. Mation constantly strives to advance technology automation, so be sure to check us out.
So, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, Mation, for more tips and information on Mation Unified Architecture Platform and Solutions. Mation. Think Smart Nation. Think Mation.